Want to get started in crypto, but you don't know where to begin? In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the Phantom wallet and explain the most important part, your seed phrase. Whether you stick with Phantom wallet or move to another wallet later, your crypto is safe as long as you understand this one concept. Let's dive in. Okay, so what is a crypto wallet? So first we need to know, instead of keeping your crypto on an exchange, a wallet lets you actually own your tokens. Now, a wallet doesn't technically store your crypto inside of it. Think of it as like an access point to where your wallet interacts with the blockchain where your assets are stored. Your wallet then connects to the blockchain and displays what you own. So think of it like a portal to the blockchain. So I won't dive into any networks right now, but just know this. Some wallets work better with specific networks. For example, Phantom Wallet, it supports the top networks. In Coinbase Wallet, it's great for Base, but it also works with multiple networks. So now that we got that out of the way, let's hop into setting up your wallet. Okay, first off, you want to get your phone. You're going to want to go ahead and download the Phantom wallet. I have it downloaded here. Let's go ahead and go in there. And once you first download it, go ahead and agree to the terms. You'll have two selections. You'll have one, create a new wallet, and then two, which is I already have a wallet. First, we're going to create a new wallet because we've never done that. Go ahead and just kind of read through this, just simple setup. Okay. Now you can continue with an email or you can create a seed phrase wallet. I recommend doing the seed phrase. We're going to go ahead and do that. Your seed phrase will then pop up. Now, you're not going to want to store this digitally. Okay. The wallet is not actually creating this seed phrase, it's pulling it off of the blockchain, okay? It's generated on the blockchain, not the wallet itself. The wallet's not going to actually store this information in it, but still, just don't keep it on anything digital. What you're going to want to do is grab a pen, paper, carve it in a piece of wood, whatever you want to do. Just keep it off of digital devices, unless you want your funds to be located somehow or hacked. That's just the risk you take. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and write all this down. Just for the sake of this video, I'll just do copy to clipboard. If you see comments below in my YouTube videos, you'll see some people trying to scam you by saying that they forgot how to get in their wallet and they need help, and they will show you their seed phrase. Do not think that you're outsmarting them in going to use their seed phrase to get in their wallet to steal their tokens. Some of these people have made a malicious contract inside of their wallet. Whenever you send funds into it, it automatically sends it out. If you see any of these comments below in my videos, do not do these seed phrases, okay? You're not outsmarting them. They've done some malicious stuff to their wallets. Don't try to do that. And I won't post my seed phrase in this video, but what I will do, I'll be giving away that goon that I am swapping in this video for, and I'll be giving it away to anyone that can guess the last word of the seed phrase, and just comment your answers below, and anyone that gets close enough, honestly, I'll just send it to them. Other than that, let's hop back into it. Once you've written down your seed phrase and all that, you should have access to your wallet, okay? Now, if you delete the app or you lose your phone or anything, that seed phrase is going to get you access back to that wallet. And these are all the stories that you hear of someone like losing their seed phrase or something, or they had Bitcoin in their wallet, they lost their seed phrase, and those funds will never be able to be recovered. There is no contact support. There's no one that can help you. That's just the decentralized nature of these wallets. Just make sure you have that safe. But honestly, that's it. That's how easy it is to create a wallet. Go ahead and you can enable the updates. And if you need to know how to fund your wallet, I have made a video where I kind of go through on funding your wallet, and I believe we'll go through creating a meme token. I'll leave a link up in the corner right here to that video if you want to know how to fund your wallet. I believe now they actually offer this buy button here. You can actually just purchase through, let's see, I believe Apple Pay or stuff like that inside of the wallet. But I go through purchasing it on Coinbase and then transferring it to your wallet, okay? Just a few things that you should know about these wallets is when you click Receive Sent Wallet, you'll see Solana, Ethereum, Base, Polygon, and Bitcoin. These are all network tokens, okay? Now think of these as like FM radio stations or something where you want to send these tokens on that network. So you can have USDC or Ethereum on the Solana network and send it. Okay, and then you have Ethereum on its native network, Ethereum, and you could send that. But Ethereum has really high gas fees. That's why everyone's kind of moving towards Solana, Base, and Polygon. You do send funds, make sure you're sending it to the correct network. You'll notice here that the Ethereum, Base, and Polygon wallets are all the same. See how it's ending in 95CF? Those are all the same because Base and Polygon are layer 2s. So pretty much that's how you send your funds to those addresses. Okay, I sent funds to the wallet now. You can see here I have 10 Polygon in here. And let's say you lost your phone, it broke, you deleted the app, and you wanted to or you know what, even better yet, Phantom goes out of business, they shut down their app, okay? You didn't lose your funds. Your funds are stored on the blockchain, okay? What you're going to do, you'll download another wallet. You just want something that communicates with the network. On Phantom Wallet, see how I have Polygon on the Polygon network. Pretty much all mainstream wallets will have Polygon on it. Let's go into the Coinbase wallet. Okay, now remember our choices before where we had create a new wallet and I already have a wallet. So this time we're going to select I have a wallet. Okay, and there's two ways you could do this: passkey and recovery phase. Go ahead and select recovery phase and enter manually. Yes, accept. Okay, so then you're going to want to go ahead and that phrase you wrote down, and you're going to want to do a space in between each one. Okay, after you enter your seed phrase, go ahead and create a passcode. Okay, yeah, they allow you to create a username. It shows here. See how you have that long string up there? And then you can actually create almost like an email address. They're starting to do that with the wallet names now. You can basically send it to whatever name your wallet is. We're just going to do later. If you guys do want to see a video on that, on how to create a name, go ahead and comment below. And if enough of you want a video like that, I'll go ahead and create something. And okay, let's hop into this. Okay, after you have logged into your new wallet, bam, look at that. Your Polygon is still there. This is a completely different wallet. We just used our seed phrase to gain access to our funds through a whole different wallet. And see here, it shows Polygon ecosystem token, which is POL. And it's on the Polygon network. There we go. And I'm going to show you guys actually how to swap. It's super quick and easy, but before that, here's just a word from our sponsor. Before we dive in, I want to take a moment to thank BloFin for sponsoring this video. And if you're interested in trading crypto, BloFin has partnered with me to offer you 20% off your trading fees. And that's a great way to save money while making the most out of your trades. Just use my referral link code EXPLORE20 when you sign up and start trading smarter today.
Check out the link in the description below. And if you're looking to learn how to trade, you can also sign up for Finova in the referral link in the description. It'll not only help you grow as a trader, but also support the channel. And for that, I thank you deeply. Now let's get right back into it.
Now swapping the token, super simple. Before, you would actually have to see this web browser within the wallet. You would go to something like Uniswap right here, and then you would swap your tokens for another token. But now the wallets are getting a lot better, where they have it built in to the wallet where you could just swap inside of it. But sometimes I see higher fees because the wallets will actually charge a fee for using their swapping feature. You can go to the browser and go to somewhere like Uniswap, but let's just do this. Let's do it in the wallet. Go ahead and just click on your asset, click swap, swap now, and let's do, here we go. You know what? Let's do $5. And we will swap it for, here we go, Goon. There we go. Showing you the secret alpha in here too. Goon is actually positioned to be Polygon's mascot. Just go ahead and review everything. Coinbase fee, yeah, you see that there, 5 cents. Not too bad, but I believe the more you do, they charge you a lot more. Go ahead and just click swap. Enter your passcode. And look at that. There we go. And there you go. We just swapped some Polygon for Goon, and that's a simple and easy way to set up a wallet and swap tokens with inside the wallet. Feel free, if you have any questions, comment below. But other than that, clear skies.